Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Lavish Bath Box. I don't know how much this costs. It'll be on the screen, but this is one of my favorite bath boxes. I'm pretty sure it's the only bath box I get these days. I used to get a whole bunch, and when I narrowed them down, this was by far my favorite, so I decided to keep this one. Let's see, there is a giveaway going on. It has Jeffree Star products, multiple winners, and that is linked down below. There's other information down there if you are interested. My hair is super frizzy today. Is there anything that is new? There's not much that is new. I do have quite a few boxes that I need to sit down and record, staring at them as we speak. But I'm also still waiting for like BoxyCharm and Ipsy and all of that to show up. So I'm kind of hesitant on filming all of these just because I don't know when those are going to show up. So I'm just going to record a few today, 2 to be exact. And then I'll do the rest next week because I have no idea when those are coming. So let's get into Lavish. I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, not this coming weekend, but next weekend we will be going out and staying out in a castle in the middle of nowhere, Ravenwood Castle, just so we can get some hiking done. I will be vlogging that. We picked 2 places to eat. They are not high end. I'm hoping they're at least decent though. I don't know. Let's get into this. I have no idea what box this is. I don't know if it's May or it's May's. Okay. Wow, this is really late. Don't we usually get this like the first couple of days of the month? But that's okay. Okay, so everything that comes into this box is specifically curated for this box, so they don't give prices. I personally think it's worth the price. I absolutely love the smells of the things that come in this box. Blah, 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 blah. Okie dokie. So it does tell you, did I already say that? It does tell you what's in the box. This is what it looks like. And let's see what we have. That's funny. Quarantina Rita Bath Bomb Dust. So it looks like this. And I really hope this isn't a floral. I feel like this might be centered. No, maybe not. It looks like a variety. Okay. Okay, so first, this plastic is really super thick, which is awesome, but I can't really smell what is through here. So let's see. Quarantina Rita Bath Bomb, Bath Dust. Pour your worries away with this margarita. Okay, so it's supposed to smell like margarita, which is awesome. I can't tell that though through the packaging. Bath bomb, dusted, rimmed with salt and garnished with lime. Scented in lime, orange blossom, and woody spice. Okay. I mean, I'm always down. You know that I love this. I love this box. I just love this box. The next thing I am pulling out is a triple butter bar soap, limited edition. And it's shaped like a flower. Triple butter Rosetta soap. Pretty as a flower tucked behind the ear, these tri-toned rosette soaps are loaded with mango, shea, and cocoa butter. You know what? And I will bust this open super soon, only because it has the skin softening properties, and I'm actually having an eczema breakout right now. I'll tell you what, if it's not one thing, it's another. But I am having an eczema breakout, which means I need to stick to organic stuff, and it also means I need to make sure my body stays lubed up. So there's that. I am super excited for that. We rarely get soap in here, so I'm really excited for that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Caribbean Paradise All Natural Soy Wax Candle. Ooh, that smells good. And it smells like a pina colada. It's pretty much what the Caribbean smells like if you've ever been. And it smells like one large pina colada. So there is that. That's awesome. Always down for that. The next thing I'm pulling out is Reflections. A house blend of cucumber, vetiver, grass, honey, bamboo, geranium, sage, patchouli, oak moss, sandalwood, and dirt. And dirt. That's an interesting smell. I don't know how I feel about this. What is this? Is this a bath bomb? Reflections Bath Bomb. Don't cry any more mermaid tears, dear. You're just one bath away from relaxing transportation to elsewhere. Hello, English. Featuring mermaid scales, all the shimmer, and a drizzle of gold. Check the label for your unique scent. Okay. So, I'm not sure how I feel about... I just got a hair in my mouth. I don't know... I'm not sure how what does that smell like? So, okay, so this is probably gonna gross you guys out, but so what this kind of smells like to me, and I know that it's probably the sandalwood and the patchouli and the sage that's in here, but what it kind of smells like is, now don't get me wrong, I do love those smells. I do. Generally, individually, I absolutely love them all, but this kind of smells like, you know how you're driving on the freeway and you run through a smell and it smells like either a skunk was hit or a skunk just sprayed, and you get further and further away from that smell, but you can still smell it just a little bit. That's what this smells like. So it smells just a little bit like a skunk got run over by a car. That's horrible. That's what it smells like. Which is weird. Okay, I'm moving on. The next thing I am pulling out, ooh, this one's all broken up, but thank goodness the packaging isn't broken up. So there is a pineapple. You can see how it's broke on the inside. And it says, tropic like it's hot. Get it? Tropic, drop it like it's hot. Am I the only one that's amused here? I don't know. That smells good though. Let's see. And this is a bubble bar. Okay. Maybe that's why it's crumbly. Butter bars tend to be a little crumbly, but that's okay. I just gave a bunch of butter bars to my daughter because I don't really get a chance to use them because of my tub. I have a jet tub, and so what happens when I use butter? I mean, I still use them sometimes when I don't want to use my jets, but they don't get as much use as bath bombs just because when I use what am I saying? When I use a bubble bar in my jet tub, then what happens is I have more bubbles than I do water, and it ends up getting really cold. And so it's just something I don't use regularly. Okay, the last thing I am pulling out. Ooh, what is this? Beach House Luxe Body Oil. Salty Sea Air, copper tone, coconut, pineapple, and lime. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wonder if it is, let's see, hold on. This glistening multi-purpose oil can be used in your bath, on your body, or in your hair for a dose of moisture scented in salty sea air, mango, papaya, pineapple, and strawberry margaritas. Shake well for shimmer. Okay, that's cool. I think I will try it just as like a body oil. I'm not gonna open it right now, but if you can see, it does have like shimmery, glittery after you shake it. So, I mean, I'm happy with this box. Is there anything else in here? Nope, I think that's it. All right, you guys, that was Lavish. I am super happy with this box. The only thing I'm kind of iffy about is the dead skunk bath bomb. I don't know. But I'm super happy for the rest of this. And you guys know I always love this box. So I am really actually excited for this. I'm going to try this summer. Especially now that I have eczema. Like, I need to keep my body as lubed up as possible. I know that sounds kind of kinky, but you guys get what I mean. All right, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope it took you out of your space for a minute. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great day.